This is a mid-file prototype demo for CPSC 344. I'm from Group Hedgehog. Our topic is an interface to support planning and outing with one or more people using Yelp. Requirements. We made up a user story about a working professional called Mike. He has a group of friends and they usually hang out on weekends. So they take turns to host a weekend hangout, where one person takes the lead, collects ideas from the group, and then decides on a new restaurant to eat at. They used to do it via emails, but find it very time-consuming. So they want to utilize the Yelp website to record the restaurant preferences and summarize the results. Here are the task breakdown. We create a new group event segment that can set up an event, save the preferences, view the preferences, and make an intuitive decision based on the results. Prototyping approach. We used Figma to stimulate the desktop interface of Yelp. We also use the interaction functions to create two workflows, one for the event host and one for the invitees. So what works? All the buttons required to complete the task work, and we ensured a smooth interaction for the users. We also provided the action feedback, so there are always messages pop up after clicking the key buttons. For the restaurant filters, we get them from Yelp, and they are selectable on our interface. What fixed? So the search box on top of the interface is fixed, because we don't need them in our user task. Also, the restaurant grid is somehow fixed, as we don't have a full database of all the restaurants, but only provided a few restaurant options to the users. Finally, the saving function is fixed, as we don't have a backend to support this interface. Then decisions and justifications. We decided that buttons and text boxes should be clear for people to use. So we used visible colors and signifiers to communicate what and where the action should take place. We also decided that users should know if their actions have been received or not, because feedback is very important to users and can lead them to design the workflow. Restaurant filters should also be ranked, so the host can make a quick decision, because ranking can help the host to efficiently see which filter get the most votes. The host can then quickly select the top ranking filters to choose a qualified restaurant. Finally, the prototype walkthrough. The first step is to create an event. The host will enter the main page and click the Start a Group Event button. The event planner shows up, and the host needs to provide details about the date, time, budget per person, and the emails of the invitees. After checking everything is good, the host will then click Confirm and Send Invite button. A message pops up and says Event invite has been sent. For the invitees, when they receive the email invite, they will come to the main page, click Join a Group Event button. They will fill in the join code from the emails and click Enter as an invitee button. They will be able to view the details of the event and also choose the filters they are interested in. When they are done, they can click the Save Filters button. A message pops up and says filters have been saved. When the host wants to check the results of the survey, they will come back to the main page, click Join as a Group Event button, enter the join code as a host, and then click this Enter as a Host button. They will see the details of the event and in plus how many people have completed the survey. When everyone is done, then the host can click the Show Results button. The number of votes will be displayed besides each filter, and they are ranked in ascending order. So the host can apply the top filters and get a new restaurant list. In this case, the host may want to choose the first one, the Dynasty Dumpling House, that meets the top filters selected by the invitees, and decide this will be the place for the group event.